Bismillah. Excellent quality pens are being sold here at a very low price every day. There are many types corporate looks, casual looks, whatever you want. Here is written that pens are only 10 taka, only 10 taka. Really, those pens are great quality for their price. These pens are made by various companies to promote their products. The pens that are sold here are priced between taka 10 and 50. The backs of these pens have to be pressed. This pen. Here are some pens for office use. Official look. Wow. This this pen is very similar to the famous brand Pilot. Price only 10 taka. These pens cost above 50 taka in any shop, but here there are only 10 taka. I have chosen these two pens. Location Palton, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Thanks.